In previous video, we have created navigation bar of Netflix site. Today, we are going to create this portion. So here we have taken one div whose name was hero image, in which we have put nav div. Now in hero image div only, we are going to put this portion of Netflix site. So what we are going to do, this hero image is going to be main div, which is holding first this nav, and second it is holding this hero text, and hero text div is going to hold hero text 1 div, which will be holding this part, hero text 2 div, this which will be holding this part, hero text 3 div, which will be holding this part, and hero text 4 div, which will be holding this input box and this button. So here we are going to create. So within hero text div, after finishing this nav div, we are creating one more div to which we are assigning a class hero text. And now this is going to be main div, and this div is inside hero image. And within this hero text div, we are going to create one more div, class equals to hero text 1. This is going to hold this text, unlimited movies, TV shows and more. After that, we will be creating one more div, which is also the part of hero text div, class equals to, we are assigning a class hero text 2. And third div is hero text 3, which will be holding third text line, and fourth one is div class equals to, here I am giving the name of class as input box. So first of all, we are going to create this hero text class. So after this nav class, I am putting dot hero text. Now here I am giving it a width of 100%, height of 500 pixel, and right now I am giving border. Later on we will remove this border. Border to 1 pixel, solid black. Save it. Now here we are going to put the text. So in hero text 1, we are going to copy this text. And this will be part of hero text 1. Then this text is going to be the part of hero text 2. This will come in hero text 3. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. It is not showing because we haven't created classes related to it. So let's create class hero text 1. So we have already created hero text class. Now it is hero text 1. And here in this class we have given position relative to this hero image. So here I am giving it a position of absolute. position is absolute, and we want that it should have a top margin of 40%. From left side, it should have margin of 10%. Color of text should be white, and font size here we are giving is 50 pixel. Then font weight, here we are giving it 900. Save it and go live. So we have got our text here. Here it is showing a border, but it is black. Let's see. Here we have given black border. Okay. Solid white. We don't need this border, later on we will remove it. But for clarity, we are putting it right now. So we have created hero text 1 class. Now we have to create hero text 2 class. So this class is holding this text. So this is our class dot hero text 2, and here we are giving position to absolute. Top margin I am giving here is 55%. From left side I want it to be 35% away from left margin, and font color we want is to be white. Then font size here I am giving is 25 pixel, and then is font weight. Here we are taking 800. Save it, and so this is our second text line. Now we are going to create this. This is a part of hero text tree. So dot hero text tree. This is a class, and here also I am giving position to absolute. Then is left margin, we want it to be 25%. Then is top margin, 65% I am giving. Color of text should be white. Then font size should be 20 pixel, and the font weight here I am giving is 700. Save. So this is our hero text tree text. Now we have to go for input box. So for that we have already created one class, input box, and within this input box class we are going to create text box. Input type equals to text. This is our text box. Placeholder, here we are giving as email address within double quotes, email address, and after that within same div, that is input box div, we are going to create button also. So we are going to create this button. So for that, here button type equals to, here I'm giving button. Now here background color you have to give. So for that style equals to background color. Here I'm choosing is red. Color of text should be white. Width, here we are giving is 200 pixel. Save it, and you can see how it is looking right now in our browser. So it is not showing because we haven't created classes related to it. So here we have given width of 200 pixel, and before doing anything for button, first let's create here input so that we can see how our input box is looking right now. Input, and here I'm giving it a position of absolute. From top side it should be 75% away, and from left side it should have margin of 30%. Then its width I'm giving is 350 pixel. Then is height, here I'm giving is 50 pixel. Save it. So this is our text box. So here we are given height. Then here I'm giving padding of 5 pixel, and background color here I'm choosing is transparent, because here it has transparent background. Next, here we have to give border of 1 pixel solid, and here I'm giving RGB, and within bracket 153 this one. Border radius to be 5 pixel, and along with this box sizing to border box. Save. So this is our text box. Next we have to go for button. So here we have already created our button, and here we have to give text, and its text is this get started. So here we have to put get started. So here we have got our button. It's here we have to put this button here. So here after width, here I'm giving first the height of button. Here I'm giving is 50 pixel. Save. 50 pixel. So it has got a height. Now we need to put it here. So for that, here I'm giving position to absolute. And here we want that top margin should be 75% and from left side it should be 60%. Save. So our button is here. Next we need to give font size to increase the button text size. So here I am giving font size and here we are choosing is 20 pixel. Then after this our buttons are a little curvy from corners. So here we have to give border radius and here I am giving border radius of 5 pixel. Save. So they are now a little curvy from here. Next here we can see that when we are moving pointer over here it's converting into this type of pointer. So for that here I am giving cursor to pointer. Save, and along with this we can give padding as well. And here I am giving padding of 5 pixel. Save. So this is our button. Next here we can see that there is no border given to this button. So from here also we can remove border to none. Save, and here our border is gone. Next we have to put this symbol. So for that we are going for font awesome and here we will search for angle right, and from here we are going to select this one. So copy the code and place it after get started. So this is a code of that icon, and right now our web browser is looking like this. So our button is again here. So it's not showing our button. We'll redo it again. So here again button type, to button, then style equals to position, to absolute, then from top margin we want that it should be 75% away, and from left margin it should be 60%. Then color of text should be white, background color should be red. Then here we are giving the text which is over our button, that is get started. Save. Now this is our button. Now we have to set its width and height. So here I'm giving it a width of 200 pixel and height of 50 pixel. Along with this we are giving padding of 5 pixel, border radius to be 5 pixel, save. Along with this we have to give cursor to pointer and border to none. Save. So this is our button. Now we have to give font size also. So font size of the text about the button, I want it to be 20 pixel. Save. So this is our button. Now we have to put this symbol. So for that we have to go for font awesome. This is the code we have to copy and paste it after the text. Save and so this is our button. Now we need to give space in between this text and this symbol. So here we have to give style, margin left, and here I am giving it 5 pixel. Save. So this is our symbol. Now we have to remove this border. So from here we are going to remove this border. From hero text we are going to remove this border 1 pixel solid white. So this is our Netflix page. One more thing we can notice here is that here the text placeholder sizes, text of the placeholder text size is little big. So here we can give in input, we can give font size, and here I'm giving 20 pixel. Save. So this is our page.